Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to slick down your hair in a low puff. A lot of people complain that they cannot slick their hair, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to slick down your hair in a low puff. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when next I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. I usually do this style on a stretched hair, but right now my hair is not fully stretched. I just took down updo I had on for a few days. I'm just gonna detangle with my hands while I stretch it out. It's best to work on a stretched hair, especially if your hair is short or medium length. You can thread or twist your hair in sections prior to the day you want to make the style. Now I'm going to section my hair into two parts. If I had a twist on, like 2-strand twist, I will just loosen the back first and pack it before moving to the front. So I'll just section it into two and then use this knotless band to pack it. You can see how firm it is now. I'm just going to move to the front now and create a center part, that is a clean line at the middle of my hair. I'm going to pack this on back and tie it with a strand of resin wool. So I'm going to spritz my hair with water to hydrate my hair a little before applying the gel. The gel I'll be using is the custard gel, the olive oil variant. I'm just going to apply it little by little. I'm not going to be applying much. You can apply as much as you want on your hair. I think the more the gel, the more the slick. So I just slick it down a little with this rat tail comb before I move on to use my wooden bristle brush. Ignore the white particles or the white flakes on my hair. They are from the last updo I had. This section seems to be too big, so I'm just going to divide it into two other sections. Tie that's the one at the back with the other ones, then gently slip this down with my hands. Usually I would comb, but since my hair is not so detangled, I'm not going to be combing my hair. I'll just slick it down a little with my hands before applying the custard gel. I'm going to apply the gel now. You can apply gel to each section. As you section, you apply gel. This will give it more sleek. And also you have to pack it a little bit tightly at the back so you don't have that puffy look as you can see right now. You can see how smooth it is now. You can rock this style anywhere to choose to work, even as a bridal hairstyle. Now I'm going to tie my hair with a scarf. If you have a satin scarf, you can make use of it. Make sure it's not lying on your edges. You can keep it for as long as you can to keep it dry. This will help keep it smooth and in place. I didn't keep it for long because of this video. See how sleek it is now. You can add some accessories to beautify it or use some colored bobby pins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.